going to be showing you all how to write a blog post like this using the best AI writing tool, and also you can share with your friends or to your blogger account. This helps to create content and earn lots of money online, and you don't need to worry about your SEO blog as your content will be SEO friendly. So let's get started. For this step-by-step guide, we are going to be doing 3 steps. First step is to visit this amazing website. So to do that, click on the first link below this video. You will see this dashboard. Now select Start for Free. You can now move to the next step, which is to generate a headline for blog post. For that, just select AI Writer and select Article Blog Titles. Here, we enter our blog post topic related to the blog we want to create. After that, select Generate. Now we have our blog post title related to the blog we want. And also, if you are not satisfied with this font, you can generate another one by selecting Generate here and to create another one. So now we have gotten our blog post title. Let's copy it, and now we can move to the last step, which is to create our blog post. So to do that, simply go back to the dashboard and select Article Blog Outline. Now after doing that, you see the dashboard. Now at this text bar, we are going to input the text. Just paste what I've copied here, then you can play with all these features here, but I'll leave it with here. Select Generate. As you can see here, it has generated a well comprehensive article ready for our blog post, in which you can share across your blogger platforms and also share with friends to enlighten them more on some certain topics, or share it directly to social media. Also, this is a free version, and we can all use all these AI writing tools for free, but it also offers basic, pro, and ultimate plans that have served to be more creative. I hope you found this video useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video and also share this video with your friends. Feedback how you use this AI blog to write amazing content. Let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.